Hey guys, welcome back to another weekend.
Hey, what's up everyone?
It's going to be another weekend at home because we got some projects going on. We do have an upcoming trip, but we just want to make sure the Super C's in tip-top shape. So this weekend we're going to be doing an alignment because what? It's just you just feel like it needs some more stability, or what's going on?
So basically when I added that lift, that 1-inch lift, it kind of clocked the wheel a little bit. So a couple degrees, and with me, I just want everything more straight. So what we're gonna do is just basically adjust the tie rod. I believe it's a tie rod, or
I don't know.
the panhard, something like that down there. I'll show you guys in a little bit. But we just need to do a little adjustments, and then there, the steering wheel is just gonna straighten up, and that's it.
Yeah, I'm good, but not that good. And then later, if we have some time, we'll probably go through a little bit of the wreck gauge.
It's getting a lot better.
Yeah, it's getting better.
There's a lot of progress going on. As long as we're seeing the pipes down, there's major stuff going on in the garage and in the front.
Yeah, but we'll stop by after this and give you guys a little tour. So right now, Kevin's gonna go underneath the Super C, and then I'm gonna be in the driver's seat to help guide him or let him know if the steering wheel is moving, you know, obviously straight, and then yeah, we'll go from there, right?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, just sitting you down for a little bit. I'll help Daddy out real quick, okay? Jay, are you watching?
Come on, Lexi. Lexi, come help.
Come on.
Alright, so it's called a tie rod.
Tie rod, okay.
So what we're gonna do is adjust the sleeve.
So similar to the Can-Am when you're adjusting the tie rods, or no?
Oh yeah, basically same thing.
Oh my goodness. Okay,
So,
alright.
yeah, super simple. Alright. Hope the angle's good this time. Let's see. So what we're gonna do is loosen this. Casey, are you having fun in there? And I believe that was a 13. And then this is gonna be the sleeve that we're gonna be adjusting right here. I'm gonna loosen this one up. Then we're gonna loosen this one up. I had lube there ready just in case. Makes it a lot easier to move around. All right, so the steering wheel, I believe it's gonna go passenger. How's it? More?
A little bit more.
Right there? Yeah, see, so that's the passenger. How's it?
Keep going.
More?
A little bit more. A little bit more. Maybe just a little bit.
Right there?
I would like it like maybe just a little bit, like a centimeter.
Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay.
Check to make sure you like it.
Oh yeah, that looks way better. Oh, I like that. Nice. Cool. So I'm gonna just leave this here just for reference, just in case we after we drive it, everything settles. It might kind of be off a little bit, but then there I'll know exactly where the original mark was. But other than that, I think that's it. So now we just gotta wait till next week take it out for a drive and see how straight it is, how well of a job we did. But that was pretty simple. So now I just gotta basically tighten all these bolts back up. So with this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave the sleeve here and then just turn these. So that way this end is crimping against this. Let me show you guys just to get an idea what I'm talking about. So let me hold this. There you go. So basically what I wanted is once you tighten it, this clamp right here is gonna squeeze this part rather than having it the other way around. So that way it gets a better grip. So what I'm gonna do is just tighten it up. And then we're gonna put the safety lock back, the safety, whatever the safety lever back on. And then wait till next week when we go out and see how well we did again. So that's gonna be it for this.
Whoa.
All right, let's go for a ride.
This one's starting to get heavy.
She's drinking all her milk. You're a big girl now, huh? Aren't you a big girl? So today we are going to tour the front yard. We're having fun. All right, we're here.
Alright, well in the front while the garage is opening, lots of trenching going on here, guys. So a lot of water and sewer work going on this last week. There's the main sewer, they had to cut into it. Yeah, it's been cut into and redone. And then here's some more lines, and it's going to be going into the garage.
Oh, look at all this.
Here's some more lines, and it's going to be going into the garage. There's some more concrete all cut up.
Just be careful with the gap.
More trenching. And
So I think once they finish the lines, they're gonna probably run the water line and then cover it all back up.
yeah, obviously you gotta fill the dirt back in because it's not all gonna be cement.
Oh.
So.
Well, yeah. Plus, the reason why we went to the front is because we don't have access anymore.
Yeah. So if you guys follow along and are kind of familiar with our house layout, we used to have access right here. You see this new piece of drywall. We used to have access to the garage from the kitchen, so this is all boarded up now. But if you guys haven't really already figured out, we're basically converting another living space in here. But yeah, more to come. Right now it's just an update. So all the pipes, sewer, there's the backyard. Pipes, sewer, there's the backyard. Yeah, all the rebar ready to go. So I mean, Yeah, all the rebar is ready to go. So I mean, once they finish up the water lines, then they'll be able to lay the foundation. You already see
Well, the footing first, I believe.
The footing first. But you see that they already got the footing already prepped and ready to go. But I mean, that's it, guys. That's it for this weekend at home. Next weekend, we're gonna try to get in one more last desert trip for Kevin, since I mean it's not like Casey and I go for a ride anyway. And then we're gonna get, hopefully, if he might squeeze in another trip, I don't know, but I know we're going next week for sure. But other than that, it's gonna be lake season and
Ooh, Casey's first lake season.
Yeah,
Water, yeah, lake
water.
season.
Yes. Casey's first lake season, yes. So we'll be ready to go into the water. The boat's already in Havasu. We'll be ready to go. Well, actually, I think the first trip is in Needles, so we kind of have to.
Pirates.
Yeah, we're gonna have to backtrack, get the boat in Havasu, and then drive it back around. So, I mean, it's definitely better than towing it with the Super C because our tires are taking a wear and tear. Yeah, they're really bad. So at least not having to tow and
That helps a
drive,
lot.
yeah, that's gonna help with the rig a lot. But yeah, other than that, guys, thanks for joining this weekend for this weekend at home. We hope you get to see you guys on the next one.
Hey, hope you guys had a great weekend. We'll see you guys next week.
Bye, guys. Bye.